Who everyone? Hey, I don't go this for this one. Question.
Hey, if I know you man.
Yeah, okay. I want to see that. Telling me this, telling me that. This is fun. Okay. Johnny do it on me. Johnny do it on me. With me, but I know it's him on me.
Where is Martin?
How you doing, people? This is School 2, and my name is DEKAY, and this is the making of School 2, and this is the way we do it. If you've not subscribed, make sure you actually try and subscribe, because for us to make you happy, for me to be speaking this way, it's just because of
me to be pregnant.
all the people.
Please subscribe.
Alright, just like the way I told you, this is Aribe, about Rie, the only Momo we have at School 2.
You know
who
what's
makes
up,
you
man?
to Momo-lize and be happy.
Yeah, man, that's me. That's me.
So, moving on to the principal. This is the principal. The only man that his money is longer than his height.
That is me.
That's
Yeah, money
That
long,
is
man. Money
me.
long.
yeah.
Yeah,
And then we
yeah.
have the ex-money.
Yes, sir. Brand new tune. Kokoro things, man.
Kokoro things.
Yeah,
That's
let's
what's up.
see,
And then we have the pregnant lady.
Hi guys.
You can see she's looking like a young girl. She's 40 years old.
Oh my God.
She'll be 40 in the next 20 years.
Yeah.
And that's what it means.
Oh my God. Yeah, keep watching Skit too.
Yeah.
We love you.
Love you. Alright, so like I told you, this is the making, and then we're moving on. We're moving on now. We're moving on. Moving on. That's what's up. That's
how
what's
we're
up.
doing.
In school too, we're good. Like we're good. Local life is good. Like we're spending the moolah. Life
That
is
is the
good.
person.
Life is good. Life is
Is it
good.
the same person?
Life is good. Life is good. We're jumping life.
Hey. Yeah.
Where you go get this one? Now shit with this one.
Yeah. Hey.
Now what I need that.
You like? You don't like it.
John, don't block.
This one, Mom. See, you know the light come on, you know the light come on for us.